Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix MB2K24 stuck on infinite loading screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First fix that I suggest you to do here, you just need to go to library, right click on the game, properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game has have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. So it will take a couple of minutes to do so, and then you need to try again. And if this doesn't work, then you need to go to view advanced system settings here on search. Then you will see this window here. Then under the advanced performance, there is settings button. Then you need to here select custom and then go on advanced. Then you need to go here on virtual memory and select change. Then select here custom size, and then here you just write 4096, and here you just need to write again 4096. Apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to make sure that your GPU and your operating system is fully updated. And to do so, first of all, you just need to go to on search, and then you just need to write settings. And on settings, it will be here on the bottom left, Windows Update. You need to press on that, press check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, and then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to make sure that you're running latest GPU drivers. And to do so, I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience to that. If using AMD, I believe there is an app called AMD Radeon. You just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and then you need to make sure that you have a basically latest drivers. And if this doesn't help, if you don't know how to update drivers, you just need to go to device manager, and here it will be display adapters. Right click on it, update driver, and here it will be the thing. And still, if this doesn't help, then you just need to go to task manager, and then you just need to, as you can see here, close the tasks that you don't use. So for example, if you play the game and you don't use Google Chrome, you can easily close that. If you don't use, let's say, VPN or some sort of third-party mouse and key, basically apps, also you can do that as well, because sometimes it can cause this problem. But of course, make sure to just close the apps that you really know that it won't crash your computer. And if this doesn't help you, then I suggest you to disable overlay apps. So if you probably know that Discord use overlay, Xbox Game Bar, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and Steam. So what I suggest you to do is to disable overlay on your apps that you use. For example, in GeForce Experience, you just need to go to cog button here, and then in-game overlay, make sure that is disabled. If you're using Steam, you just need to go to the game properties and disable overlay here, and also here on Steam, I believe somewhere here in interface, probably here should be overlay that you need to disable as well. On Discord, also super similar, and also you can go to Xbox or just go to settings, and then you just need to basically go to gaming, Xbox Game Bar, and then make sure to turn off this option here, and then captures, make sure record what happened also is turned off, and game mode is on. Right, and this should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.